Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a video especially for all those beginners and also those mediocres kind of that we have had a very tough month in trading, especially when the markets are opening gap up and gap downs this month and May and all those crashes in the American markets, all the Bitcoin crashes and everything. It had a negative impact as well. So right away, let's get into it. How was I able to earn this 25% of returns in the last 10 days, which has been the best last 10, trading days of my trading career. Now, I would like to imply one thing that I've traded many scripts, like I did futures, I did options, I did an intraday basis and in swing, but mostly I did swings and stocks, right? So first of all, let's see that where was I before. Forget about all this pain and payouts over here. As a payout for the last time, it was on May 3rd over here. I was shifting to Chennai, so I had a lot of pain and payouts over here. As you can see on May 3rd over here, my account value was at around 1,21,000 over here, right? And I had a complete losing streak since almost a week from May 3rd to around May 10th over here. My account value went from 1,22,000 to 1,16,000, lost around 6,000 over here in my account. But I trusted the process. I wrote down every single mistakes as you can see in my journal over here and trusted the process and made sure I'll still do whatever I need to do to improve myself. And from May 10th, as you can see, today is May 22 over here as I'm recording this video, right? At around 421. I have grown my account since then to around continuously from 1,16,000 to 1,22,000. Then further going on, it stands at around 1,41,000, almost 1,41,000, just a difference of 300 rupees. So the difference between 1,41,000 to 1,16,000 is around 25,000 over here, which is almost around 24 to 25% returns in the month of May, or to be precise, in the last 10 days, especially when the markets have been very volatile. Right now, what I'm trying to imply is don't be jealous or don't be feel bad about people who are earning lakhs a day. I know there are big traders who earn a lot of more money than me. They earn around lakhs per trade, and we feel that if we had that big capital, we would be doing great as them as well. But we forget that we have not seen their journey. They have been far more experienced than us. Their cut is a lot more stronger than us seeing those red numbers coming down. And also their experience is so much more than us, right? We need to remember that because 25% of my 1 lakh is around 25,000. But also you need to remember that 1 crore 25% is 25 lakhs, right? So this would be around 22 to 25% returns for me over here. You can do the same thing with your amount as well. And the next month, when it comes June, I will be increasing that amount eventually in that same percentage wise. I will try my best because we may never know that how much market would give us on that specific month or the specific week. But you need to know one thing, that you need to get up the next day again and again, practice charts and keep improving yourself to get these better of the trades which you take and the profits which you need to make, because losses are inevitable in this market, because you need to treat this trading as a business over here, where you will be facing losses, where you will have to accept your losses and cut them short before you end up losing big. So the message for all the beginners is don't feel bad about that you don't have a big capital. Make sure that first of all, you need to absolutely focus on the learning, on the absolute percentage returns, not on the numbers as others, because the capital is bigger, the emotional stability is much more stronger than you, their gut is much more stronger than you when they see the numbers falling down. Number three, you need to focus on the process no matter you have a winning streak or a losing streak. Because I made a mistake, I've had losses as well in the last 10 days where I lost around 5 to 6,000 because I was having a winning streak. I was emotionally not stable when I saw a number coming down. I trailed my stop loss a bit and eventually ended up losing a little more than my stop loss, which I could have avoided. So make sure that you are stable in both situations when you're winning and also losing. But overall, I was able to get around 22 to 25% of returns in the last 10 days, which I was very happy with, as the markets were very volatile with opening gap up and gap downs. And all the profit screenshot and the losses screenshot are posted right in our community. If you consider joining it, the link is right in the description in my Telegram group, right? I was showing this thing because on my account value, because I did a lot of script tradings, different script tradings, which is futures. I did not do options at all. I did intraday futures. I did intraday stocks. I did swing stocks, mostly on swing stocks, getting around 1.5k to around 2,000 over here, right? So this is a message which I wanted to imply, that focus on the process, every single mistake of yours by noting them down. Until next time, happy trading and bye-bye.